Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you some more clickbank earning, guys. Let me log in front of your eyes so you can see this is 100% real. Let it load. You can see $24 guys today so far, and this is completely from 100% free type traffic, guys. I'm not spending any money to generate this type of commissions. As you can see, I'm able to manage around $100 per week. I'm also receiving payment also, guys. Let me refresh you one more time. As you can see, still guys, $24. This is 100% passive income, guys. So if you want to know how I'm doing this, let me show you. Just go to marketplace, and you can see here all the categories. If you already have interest in some categories, you can select those categories. I generally target e-business and email marketing, as these products are related to make money online. People are more likely to buy. But but if you go here in the find products tab, just click that small search icon. Don't enter anything. You will get a list of best selling products. As you can see, the Okinawa flight belly tonic is just crushing it. It's making People are making millions by promoting it. Then BioFit, as you can see, more of the health offer, guys. So supplement type of offers, they are not digital. And here is the diabetes freedom, it is digital. So basically you can pick any offer from this page, guys. All offers are highly converting and proven. We can see that gravity represent approx number of affiliates who are able to get the sales. So if you are seeing gravity of 150, so it means that at least 151 at least different affiliates are able to get the sales of this offer, guys. So pick any offer, guys. mm, you can pick the top performing one, Okinawa flat belly tonic. And now you have to do one thing, guys. You can add your landing page, or you can short that link using bit.ly.com, guys. If you go to bit.ly and paste your affiliate link, and that bit.ly link will convert your affiliate link into a small links. Now you go to your favorite social media platform, guys. We can like Facebook, Twitter, or any other platform like Pinterest, and start promoting your, guys. So if you want to promote on Facebook, what you can do, you can search all health related groups, guys. Health related groups where like healthy recipes, healthy exercises, yoga, or weight loss related groups, exercise gymming groups, etc. group, guys. So you know what type of groups you have to. Basically, people who are conscious about their health and want to lose weight, that type of groups. Now once you find those groups, just request to join them. You can request up to, I think Facebook blocks you from requesting more than 20-30 groups after that, but you can request 10 groups per hour, guys. So just join them. Don't post anything on first day, guys. So slowly start posting in 1 to 3 groups, guys. Now after 2 to 3 days, you can post on all the groups, guys. Just like you can, if you want to know what type of headlines you have to use, just click the offer and copy the exact headline from that offer. Like you can say that if you check out this ancient Japanese tonic that melts 54 lbs of fat, just click the link below and watch the video to unlock the formula or secret, whatever spark the interest, guys. Whatever you have to use something that people will feel curious and they will want to check out what you have to say. So that's all, guys. Just, and I want to show some. There are two links in the description, guys. First is a uh, what we can say, a course type of thing is that. So they provide you domain, hosting, and all the guides and tutorials which you need to accelerate your clickbank success, guys. It only cost around $8, but they really help, guys. And second link is free traffic app, guys. If you don't want to post on multiple Facebook groups and Twitter, so you can get access to that tool, and that tool will automate all the traffic generation for you. I am currently using both the tools, guys. First link is really awesome, guys. You can check out that. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.